Is the computer
Okay, so meeting now. Afternoon, right? Good afternoon, Kutis. How are you? Are you all good? Right. So this meeting is made for the parents, right? Not for kids. The last part of the meeting only for the kids. So better the first initial time, the parents, if you put your headset and if you come to the meeting, it will be a great thing. Or you just put it in the speaker and able to listen the audio, right? So after this part, we will have the examination. So that time you can it for the program. So welcome everybody. Right. So welcome everybody for our meeting. So we are from E-Kids and Teens division from EDHEC. Hosting particular meeting today. Media, E-Kids and Teens program, and also giving you a on this this problem type, right? So we actually initiated this particular session to benefit for the students who are learning school level. I know most of the schools are closed now, and most of the people are having trouble. Even the education, some educations are closed. So you are feeling, parents are very difficult time, right? Because you have to manage your house and you have to manage your other works plus educate your children. So this will be a very hectic work, I think, nowadays, right? So that's what we have come up with the idea to give a solution. At least we can take care of your children for 2 hours in a day, right? One day we will take care of your children for 2 hours. So I think there are some people who can't hear me, right? I think they are putting some messages that we can't hear you. So there is a headphone mark in the corner, right? There is a headphone mark in the corner. You can press that button and say join audio, right? Click that headphone mark and press join audio. Then you can able to hear me what I'm in my voice. Otherwise you will be able to see my video only. So before going to the presentation, I would like to share some information about this, right? So once again, I'm warmly welcoming, right, all the parents who have involved in this particular program today, right? So we are going to take this somewhere around 1.5 hours. So first 1 hour will be an introduction meeting for the parents, right? First 1 hour will be an introduction meeting for the parents, and second half an hour we are going to do examinations, right? We are going to have the exams for the students to check your knowledge. It's also fully done in online, so I will be giving you the instruction, then you can join to the exam and you can get a benefit, right? So I think now there are parents will be coming and joining a bit later. I think currently more than 35 parents are here. So whoever coming late, please, I will be repeating this message after session is started, right? So as I told you before, this is a fully free program. There is no terms and conditions we are applying. There is no hidden charges we are charging. We are giving this 100% free online course for your children. It is a 15 hours curriculum. We are mainly focusing on speaking English and also focusing on some of grammar and activity based. So I will guarantee you that we will have a full concentration and full support for you. So we want some support from you actually, then only this will be continued. So whoever coming to the first class today, I want you all to come to the last class as well, because most of the people, if it is free, they will come and join. Then after few classes, if it is free, they won't concentrate it, they will go for some other option. Other than the class, most of the other thing would be important for them, right? Because it's free. When you're paying anyway, you will fight and you will get it. But when you're free, you will just leave it. But I don't want to leave like this. I want all the parents, please involve in the activity or involve what we are doing, and let the students to cater. Small peoples, whoever grade 1 to grade 3, I think initial stage, the parent should assess the student, right? Or you should be with them for the initial classes, whoever learning grade 1 to grade 3. Grade 3 upwards, they can do it their own, but better make them to hear it by a headphone. Otherwise, make them in a louder way, whether you also can hear what they actually doing. So we have some class-based activities in the class, and we will be giving you some extra informations to do in the homework, like homework stuff. And also we will give you some interactive way of learning. So please support, because we actually want you all to improve your English language on this particular situation. So let me go to the presentation. So I think you got a point very clearly what I'm trying to say through this particular program, right? So again, I'm telling you, because a lot of parents, they're asking, sir, are there any charges? What are your terms and conditions for this program? Are you have any hidden payment on this? Sure. I'm 100% telling you, there is no hidden charges on this. The online course is fully free of charge. We are doing from the international body. I will explain to you what is the curriculum and other detail. There's a free. So if you colleagues or other relations or even neighbor houses, if they want to join this program also, you can introduce the program. Just you have to give our WhatsApp group link and let them to add it in the group, and from there we will be take care everything for the class timetable and everything. We will be share it in the WhatsApp group. So you have to join in the group, then you can able to continue the program. So as I told you, it's not a long process, it's a very shortened process. So only 15 hours we are going to lecture you and see the improvement of English, right? I think today I'm speaking in English, so some parents may be from a different language. Maybe if you feel difficult, maybe you are from Tamil background or Sinhala background. So maybe you feel, if the parents, you will feel difficult, but unfortunately the last sessions will be there. So that is question and answer. So that time you can speak me in your mother language, maybe your Tamil or Sinhala. I would be love to answer in the mother language, right? Okay, so let's go to the presentations now. Right, so Kotesh, right, we go to the presentation. So this is actually a parents meeting. So we want to, now I'm going moving to the second level, which I'm going to give you an idea about the eKids and Teens program. and who we are and what we are doing, right? So the first thing is, right. So these are the areas we are going to discuss today about us and about online class and our team. Then we are going to talk about some free online English courses, right? This is our content we are going to discuss. Okay. So first thing is about us, right? So most of the people, you don't know who we are, right? And what we actually do. Who are we, right? So actually we have like there are two people, right? So the delivery partners, that means we are from IDM campus, right? I think you all know our logo. It's in the corner of my presentation. You can see. So that is the IDM campus. So IDM campus is a Sri Lankan local body who have in experience more than 35 years in IT and a lot of other industries. So IDM is a Sri Lankan body, and the EdHat, you can see the top logo, right? The EdHat. So EdHat is a body. It's a professional body where they based on UK, right? So as EdHat is based on UK, so they have so many programs. Like you would have heard about Edexcel, you would have heard about Cambridge, right? So similar to that, the EdHat also, it's a UK body, right? It is fully based on UK. So this body in Sri Lanka, IDM and so many other campuses, they have affiliated and they are doing their program in Sri Lanka, right? IDM is affiliated. There are so many other campuses. They have affiliated this particular program, eKids and Teen, and doing in Sri Lanka. So this free course also, we are doing through IDM, but affiliated by the EdHat International, which is in the top logo. So we are doing here our curriculum and your examinations, everything, teaching materials, everything is a standard of EdHat International. So they are the standardized people. So your tutes or the whatever we are teaching, syllabus and the content, examination, these three things will be provided by EdHat International, and the IDM is the official partner where they will teach the information. So my name is Myron. So I'm the business development manager for this EdHat International body. So I will be working as a business development manager for this body. So there are my team's members are there. So they will be working in Sri Lanka to achieve this particular goal. So this is a bit small introduction about the company and what we are going to do it. So about this EdHat, right? Okay, so these are some motivations quote which is about eKids and Teens program, right? So let me go to the next one, this one, right? So when you see this, you can able to identify what are the main program, because EdHat is a big body. So they have kids program, they have diploma program, they have HND program, they have PGD program. Likewise, there are so many courses in the so many industries. They do have IT industry, business management, law, psychology, teacher education. Likewise, there are so many programs they have, right? So here, what we actually going to do through this online is, it's a course we are going to do it for eKids and Teens, which is for school level people, not for a big people. So grade 1 to grade 12 or maybe grade 12 in the school. So whoever learning in this particular area or this particular age group, we are going to do a online class. So that is the idea about this particular program. Now assessment, end of the course or in the middle of the program, we have lots of assessment. Assessment means examination will be given, and today also we are going to do an exam, right? So because why we do exam is we want to find out the students' capacity and the knowledge and how they have know about the courses. So that actually we want to find out. So today also we will be giving the initial exam to find out the knowledge of the students, right? Maybe what is the level of English they have. Throughout we will be able to find out the basic stuff. Then we will keep on improving, right? And I'm guaranteeing you that we will improve at least a 20% of the English knowledge, because through online, through 15 hours, I can't guarantee you that I will give you 100% English improvement. That is not possible, because I'm not a magic man, right? I'm just a teacher with my colleagues. So what I can do is I will be just improving with the basic introduction free program, at least a 20% of the English knowledge improvement, not 100. I'm again telling you, right? Just a 20% or slight improvement. Then if you are interested later, you can come and join and learn the big program we have, 10-month course, 12-month courses like that. We have so many other programs. So if you wish later, that is a different story, so that you can able to join. So next is about, this is the structure of the program, or about in the EdHead body. You can able to see the structure now, right? So this particular course is called eKids and Teens. So level 1 to level 3, we will group it as one category. Then second one, level 3 to level 6, 4, 5, 6 will be categorized as one. And finally, it will be 6, 8, 9, right? So 7, 8, 9 will be categorized as another category. So you can see my mouse pointer. So there are 3 categories, right, will be for kids. So once they complete, they can continue their studies on HND, high national diploma level. Then they can go to the high national diploma level. Then they can do the bachelor's degree. So this is the track of future studies. So when they want to continue further and study, so after A levels or O levels, they can do a diploma in this EdHead. Then they can go to the HND in EdHead. Then they can do the bachelor's degree. So you can track your students to go to bachelor's degree in the same EdHead international body to gain a bachelor's degree from a respective universities in UK. So that is the last goal. Now we are starting as a small investment or small startup is now. So then you can able to continue it, right? So next we're going to talk about these online classes, right? Okay. So I think nowadays trend, or most of the people now we are learning online, right? So everything, even schools are converted in online. Even most of the institute they are teaching, even tuition classes, they are converting in online. Like a lot of online is going on, but nobody's know how efficient is that. Whether the students can, even the parents also don't know, even the teachers also don't know. So all are just, we are doing is a test drive, right? Test running until this particular problem is over. We are going to do the test drive where the students can understand the knowledge, or whether the student is grabbing, whether they have the environment set up. Because when you send the students to a tuition class, you know, the tuition class environment is support to learn, because there is no other extra disturbance, right? They will clearly concentrate on the class. But when they are coming to the home and learning, there are a lot of distraction. Maybe her mother will be seeing a TV, and younger daughter will be playing something, and neighbor house people will be playing outside. So there are so many disturbance will be there when they are learning from home. So overcome all the disturbance, even sometimes as elders we feel difficult, but I don't know how the students are going to face it. So that's why we are going to do a test drive. Initial 15 hours is a test run. So when it's success, or when the students concentration is good, and if it is more high, then we can able to do the other stuff in the online. So about this particular course, as I told you, this is fully about English, right? So we are mainly focusing about English, that is also spoken English and active English, right? Active English. So what is active English is, we will teach the things in an active way, like some dialogue delivery, some rhymes format, some your example, students are very addicted to YouTube, right? Very much addicted to YouTube. Why they have addicted to YouTube is, YouTube have a very visualized effect, and also it's have the very easy of converting. And also in the cartoon, if you see, most of the kids are like to see the Dora cartoon, right? Rather than if you compare to other one, why they like to see the Dora cartoon, there is a communication, right? Communicative facilities is there. So the Dora will say something, and it will tell you the children to say it again. So it's a very communicative. So there are lots of online learning platforms are there, right? You can go to YouTube and learn English, right? But that is what, it's a one-way communication, where the students have to put the headphone and listen. Even as elders, it's very difficult for us to learn. But here, it's a two-way communication, right? In the Zoom online class, we are going to have the two-way communication, that we are going to talk to the students will be repeating this. So you can see we did it previously. There are some batches with our local student. There are YouTube, we have uploaded how we are doing the classes. You can go and check our YouTube channel. So that is very interactive, because we ask the questions, students are saying the answer, then others will be talking it. So it's very interactive. So 1.5 hours will be very much effective for the students to go ahead. So that's what we have actually planned to go ahead with this particular English online course. So what are the things that you need for this, right? So the main things that you need for this is, first is this particular Zoom application. I think now you all install the Zoom application, so there is no issue, right? It's just a 40 MB file. So you have to, one time you have to install, right? And every time we will be sending you a link to join in a class. So the link will be sent to me in your WhatsApp group, right? So I will tell you. So in the WhatsApp group, we will be share everything, materials, video tutorials, and even Zoom next class ID will be shared it in a WhatsApp group. So first thing is you need is the Zoom link. Second is per class will be taken 350 to 400 MB of data, right? So data will be taken 350 to 450, maybe sometimes it's 500 MB. So the student definitely should have this investment or this particular data in your phone to continuously access the classes. So per class, you need that too. So Zoom application and also data package of somewhere around 400 MB of data will be necessary. And the second one, we are going to have the online, right? This is a software, or it is applicable for the mobile also. So there is a system called Quiz. So through this, you can do the exams, right? Online. Today also we will be, I'm just doing some demos on that. So you can able to see it. And when the class is started, so all your mic will be muted. So you can't speak or you can't ask any question. So if you have any doubts, right, there are two ways. If it is elders, you can go to the chat and you can type the question, then the teacher will be able to respond to you, right? That is one thing. Otherwise, you see in the corner, there is 3 dots, right? So if you go there, there is a mark called raise your hand, right? So there is something called raise your hand, just a hand mark will be there. So if you press the button, then the lecturer will be know that you have raised the hand and he will be unmute your mic and you can ask the question, right? So those are the basic 2 setups, right? One is raise your hand for the kids if you want to do it. So we will instruct you anyway in the classroom how you have to do it, right? But just for your knowledge, in the corner of your phone, mostly I think everybody is accessing on the phone, 90% accessing on the phone. If you are accessing on the laptop, it is again easy. You will see 3 dots in the corner. So if you click that button, you will be having a pop-up. In the pop-up, you can see raise your hands, right? So then we will be unmuting you. Then you can able to talk to us, right? So that is the one thing. Okay. Next is about this particular course, right? Okay. Now we have categorized into this way, right? You can see the screen now. Grade 1 to grade 3 will be coming as one category. Whoever in grade 1 or less than grade 1, maybe LKG level, right, will become LKG, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. These students will be grouped it as one set of group students. Then 4, 5, 6 will be categorized as second level of students, right? 4, 5, 6 will be categorized as second level of student. 7, 8, 9 will be categorized as third level of group. And more than the 9 also, maybe O levels or A level first year, if you weak in English or you want to improve it, still you can able to join in that particular group, which is 7 to 9, because that is we are teaching a good level of English knowledge, right? So this what it goes, right? So different section. Kids will be more interactive way we will take with the very attractive format. And elders we will teach bit professionally. So like us, based on the age group, how they understand it, we will be teaching the information. So that will be very much a great thing for them, right? Okay, then there is an exam. Before the exam, I will show you a WhatsApp group. So what you have to do is, as I told you, there is a WhatsApp group link. It's shown here, and also it will put it on your chat window. You can see the chat window also we are putting your WhatsApp group link. So you have to take this WhatsApp group and copy the link and put it in the browser and join in this particular group, right? What you have to do is just copy the link. Now, if you are grade 3, copy the first link. If you are grade 5, copy the second link. If you are grade 8, copy the third link. So age group, according to the school grade, just copy the link. Maybe in your house there are 2 children, one is grade 3, another one is grade 5. So you can copy the first link, and open your browser and paste the link and go. Press the go button. It will be added to your WhatsApp group, right? So it will be added to our WhatsApp group. Then we will be posting the further informations and everything. We will take care from there. After this meeting is finished, if you join in the WhatsApp group, we will be take caring you there, right? So if you feel any difficulties, please put a message to our hotline number. Then you can able to talk to them, right? In the ad also it's there. or else anywhere you will find our number. So just put a message, they will send the link to you, right? So grade 1 to 3, first link, 4 to 6, the second link, and 7 to 9 is the third link. So that's what the link will go, right? So, right, next we are going to talk about the timetable, right? So dates and time will be given, right? But this is the fixed time we have, right? So I will tell you, this is grade 1 to 3, the time is 3 to 4:30. That is the time, right? So that age group people, your class will be start at 3 o'clock and it will finish at 4:30. But it's a different dates we will give you. Right now here I have put some tentative dates, maybe it will be changing. So I will be finalizing a timetable for whole class, and we will put the class in your WhatsApp group, then you can see the timetable. So the important thing is what you have to do, parents, right? Because maybe in your workload you will forget. Even today meeting also, I think some people forgot. We will send SMS, or some people lately join at 3 o'clock only, they said because of the work and other stuff you will be failing to join, right? So what you have to do is simple work. Take our slide and print out it. Just try to take a print out, right? Or trying to rewrite it in a paper and paste it in the wall. That is the very important practice you have to do, right? Otherwise, if you forgot, your student also will be not learning, right? Your son and daughters will be not learning. So because of your forgetfulness, then they are also will discontinue in the class. So good practice is what you have to do, because I know parents are very busy these days. You have to cook for a house, and you have to maintain your house, and you have to do other work even with that timetable. It's not possible actually, right? So what you have to do is, I will send this WhatsApp you the timetable. So take a A4 paper and see this and type, write, or if you have a printer, you can print it out. Otherwise, just write it down and paste it in a wall. It's very visible to you, maybe in your kitchen or maybe in your room or wherever. Paste it, it's very visible. Then always you can remember the time, then you can let the student in, right, in the correct time. So that will increase, or that will help the students to improve the knowledge in English. So that is only a help from our side. We are requesting from you to do that particular help. Then it will be more efficient for us also, because there is no recording we are keeping. You can't replay the class. If you missed one class, it's missed, right? If you miss one class, that area you can't learn again. So it will be completely lost, right? So that's what I'm again telling you. Just do that in timetable. So grade 1 to 3, this is the time. So it's starting from 3 to 4:30. Then this is grade 4, 5, 6, right? Grade 4, 5, 6, it's 11 o'clock to 12:30, right? So 11 o'clock to 12:30 for grade 4 to 6 students. And 6 to 9, or 9 or 10 or 11, right? More than 6, so their time is morning, 9 to 10:30, right? So that is the time they have. So 9 to 10:30. Then after that, for second level, 11 to 12:30, and also 3 to 4:30 for the kids, right? So that is the basic timetable I want to discuss. Now we go to the exam. Now, are you clear, parents, or you have any questions? Okay, right? Are you clear? So how to go to WhatsApp link is, just copy the link, right? If you are a grade 4 student, copy the second link and open your browser, website browser, and just paste it and press go button. Then it will automatically redirect it to your WhatsApp. Then the WhatsApp will open. Clear? Right. So anybody have any questions? You can do raise hand. Then we will unmute you. Anybody have any questions? I'll give you 1 to 2 minutes. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, so there is a button in the corner, you see. If you go to that button, there is something called raise your hands. Then I will be get notifying here with the hand mark. Then I can unmute your mic. You got it? Anybody, any questions? Again, I'm telling you, in the corner of your phone, there are 3 dots mark. Press the dot and there is something called raise your hands, right? Just press the button then I can see the notification here, then I will unmute it. Okay, I think Super P have a question. Yeah, unmute it, please. Okay, yes, Super P, any question?
Yes, now I'm logging from the laptop. So how can I copy the link to my phone?
Now you have, okay. So what you have to do is, you have to go, then you copy that and send it as SMS or whatever to the phone, or just copy and put it in a mail. But then you have to connect the WhatsApp web, no? Yeah. So just copy and however trying to pass that particular link to your phone, right? In any way, then you can click there. Otherwise, there is a process. You have to go into the WhatsApp web and you have to update it. So it will be, I think. So Miss P, you can do it in that way. Just
Maybe my husband can support for me. He will be arrived within 1 hour here.
okay.
Is that okay to be late?
That's fine. But then you just copy this link and put it in the laptop in a notepad.
Yes. I took a photo of that link.
Photo is difficult, no, because it's a big link. They have to type, so it's difficult. Just copy paste it in the notepad in your computer.
Actually, I don't know about that.
Then we'll do it like this. Once you come, your husband come, you have a hotline number. No, I have a hotline number.
Yeah.
Just message to the hotline number. I'm a grade this 3 student. Please send the link like that. We will send you the link. Then you can click.
Okay.
Right. That's great. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So any other people have any questions? Any people, any students, any questions you have? I'll give you before. The next part is the exam for kids, right? So we are going to give an examination for kids. Before going to the next part, I want you all to have any doubts or any clarification or any problem. If you have, just you can ask from me in even Tamil or Sinhala. I'm ready to answer. Ninga Tamil line kakla, Sinhala line kata karna pulwa. Because your parents, I don't want to go ahead. Wage language agi maging anna, I will give you the answer. So no questions, clear. So I think I have explained very. So y'all, I think y'all clear, right? No questions. So my laptop is here, visual is here. So sometime I will look at this side. So right. All right. So that shows. So parents, do you want me to tell in Tamil and Sinhala as well? So අපේ අර WhatsApp link එකක් තියෙනවා හරි දැන් අද මම introduction class එකක් දෙන්න යන්නේ so introduction එකකින් පස්සේ අපි class එකට join වෙන්න ඕන නම් අනිවාර්යෙන් අර WhatsApp link එකක් අපි chat එකකින් share කරලා තියන්නේ ඒ WhatsApp link එකකින් join වෙන්න. ඒ link එක copy කරලා ඔයාගේ phone එකකින් දැන් log වුණා නම් ඒක copy කරලා phone එකකින් browser එක on කරලා ඒකට paste කරලා go කියලා press කරන්න. එතකොට ඔයාට WhatsApp එකට directly connect වෙනවා. එක්කෝ laptop එකකින් join වෙනවා නම් අර අපි දැන් chat එකකින් එවපු එක කොහමරි copy කරලා තියලා පස්සේ phone එකට එවන්න. email එකෙන් හරි මොකක් හරි phone එකට දාන්න. දැම්මට පස්සේ ඔයාලට එතනදී click කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ දෙකක් තව එකක් තියෙනවා. දැන් ඒකත් බැරි වුණොත් මේ class එක වලට පස්සේ අපේ hotline number එකට message එකක් දාන්න මගේ මේ class එකකින් තමයි මට මේ link එකක් ඕනේ කියලා. They will send you the link. So කොහොම හරි අපේ WhatsApp group එකට join වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒක join වුණාට පස්සේ තමයි එතනදී තමයි අපි පටන් ගන්නෙ class timetable දෙනවා, information ටික දෙනවා, tuts, homework ඒ ටික ඔක්කොම WhatsApp group එකකින් තමයි අපි දිගටම class end වෙනකන් යන්නේ. even timetable ඔක්කොම අපි ඒකින් තමයි share කරන්නේ. So ඒ නිසා මොකෝ කරේ තියෙනවා නම් ඔයාලට WhatsApp group එකකින් කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. timetable ඔක්කොම ඒකින් තමයි. So අනිවාර්යෙන් ඒක register කරන්න නැත්නම් miss වෙනවා. ඒක එකක්. තව එක දේවල් මම කිව්වා දැන් timetable එක. අපි timetable එක issue කරලා පස්සේ ගොඩක් කට්ටිය parents ලා අමතක වෙනවා. දැන් ඔයාගේ ගෙදර වැඩ දැන් කට්ටිය ඔක්කොම ගෙදර. එතකොට කෑම හදන්න ඕනේ, ගොඩක් වැඩක් කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒ නිසා parents අනිවාර්යයෙන් වාගේ මේ වෙලාව අමතක වෙනවා. 3 ඉද්දි සමහරවිට 3 මාර්ග තමයි මතක් වෙන්නේ. සමහරවිට රෑ 8ට තමයි මතක් වෙන්නේ. ඒ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා. සෝ අනිවාර්යෙන් අපි ටයිම් ටේබල් එක එවුවට පස්සේ ඒක ලියා ගන්න කොලේක අරගෙන ලියා ගන්න ටයිම් ටේබල් එක පේස් කරන වාගේ කිචන් එකකින් හරි රූම් එකකින් හරි අනිවාර්යෙන් ටයිම් ටේබල් එක දාන්න. දැම්මට පස්සේ තමයි ඒක මතක් වුණාම තමයි අනිවාර්යෙන් ස්ටුඩන්ට් එක because ඔගොල්ලෝ තමයි responsibility ස්ටුඩන්ට් ක්ලාස් එකට දාන්නේ. ඒම ආවොත් තමයි අපි ගන්න පුළුවන් responsibility එක අර 20% improve වෙන්න. because අපි recording මුකුත් තියාගන්න එක ක්ලාස් එකක් මිස් වුණොත් අනිවාර්යෙන් ඒක රිවර්ස් කරන්න බෑ. සර් ලාස්ට් ක්ලාස් මම ආවන එක ආපහු කරන්න එම් කියලා කතා කරලා normal ක්ලාස් විදියට යන්න බෑ. ඒ නිසා අනිවාර්යෙන් අර ක්ලාස් එකට attendance until end first class එනවා right අනිවාර්යෙන් first class මොකද free නේ අපි දුන්නේ එතකොට මොකද තියෙනවා කියලා පොඩ්ඩක් බලා ගන්න හරි කට්ටිය පොඩ්ඩක් ඔළුව දායි හරි last class වෙද්දි කට්ටිය ගොඩක් drop වෙනවා ඒ කියන දැන් ගොඩක් external entities වෙනවා දැන් family events ඒ වගේ time එක සමහරවිට manage කරන්න නැත්නම් drop වෙනවා මට අනිවාර්යෙන් ඕනේ ඒකට තමයි අපි මේ free class එක දෙන්නේ මට අනිවාර්යෙන් ඕනේ until the last class කවුද ඉන්නේ ඒ කට්ටිය ඉන්න ඕනේ එතකොට last class එකෙන් අපි surprise එකක් තියෙනවා සමහරවිට certificate එකක් දෙනවා right so ඒක කවුද last class එකට එන කට්ටියට විතරයි right so ඒ නිසා until you have to last class you should follow හරි so ඒක සිංහලෙන් කිව්වා தமிழ் parents யாராவது இருக்கிறீங்கன்னு சொன்னாலும் கட்டாயம் நான் சொன்ன விஷயத்தை ஒருக்கா பாருங்க என்ன ரெண்டு விஷயம் நீங்க செய்யணும் தமிழ் பேரண்ட்ஸ் முதலாவது நீங்க செய்யணும் இந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்புக்கு எப்படியாவது ஜாயின் பண்ணணும் ரைட் ஸோ அந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்புக்கு எப்படி ஜாயின் பண்றதுன்னா அந்த லிங்க் நாங்கள் ஒன்று அனுப்பியிருக்கோம் அந்த லிங்கை வந்து நீங்க உங்களோட ஃபோன்ல பேஸ்ட் பண்ணினீங்கன்னா ஜாயின் ஆகலாம் அதை காப்பி பண்ணி உங்களோட ஃபோன்ல ப்ரௌசரை ஓப்பன் பண்ணி அதில் பேஸ்ட் பண்ணி கோ கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா ஜாயின் ஆகும் இப்போ நீங்கள் லேப்டாப்ல வந்துருக்கீங்கன்னு சொன்னால் அதை காப்பி பண்ணி எப்படியாவது ஃபோனுக்கு அனுப்புங்க இல்லாட்டி நீங்கள் ஃபோனில் ரிக்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க உங்களோட ஃபோனில் வாட்ஸ்அப் போயிட்டு நீங்கள் ரிக்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க உங்கள்கிட்ட இந்த லிங்க் எனக்கு வேணும் அப்படின்னு அப்போ நாங்கள் அதை உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பி விடுவோம் ஸோ இது வந்து ஒன்று ரெண்டாவது டைம் டேபிள் கிளாஸ் டைம் டேபிள் நாங்கள் எல்லாமே வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்பில் தான் உங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுவோம் ஸோ யார் வந்து கிளாஸஸ் மிஸ் பண்ணாமல் கட்டாயம் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறது வந்து வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஸோ உங்களோட வேலைகளோட சம்டைம் உங்களுக்கு அது கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும் ஸோ நீங்கள் ஒரு A4 பேப்பர் ஒன்று எடுத்து இந்த கிளாஸ் டைம் டேபிள் எல்லாத்தையும் அதில் எழுதி உங்களோட கிச்சன்லேயோ இல்லாட்டி ரூம்லேயோ அதை ஒட்டி வைங்க இந்த 15 ஹவர் கிளாஸையும் ஸோ ஒட்டி வச்சிங்கன்னு சொன்னால் உங்களுக்கு எப்போ தேவையோ நீங்கள் அதை பார்த்தா ஞாபகம் வரும் இல்லாட்டி சில வேளையில் உங்களுக்கு அது மறந்து போகும் இரவு 9 மணிக்கு தான் ஞாபகம் வரும் இல்லாட்டி கிளாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண அப்புறம் தான் ஞாபகம் வரும் அப்போ நீங்கள் அப்படி அவங்கள ரெகுலராக அனுப்பாமல் விட்டீங்கன்னு சொன்னால் அது வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோட பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸுக்கும் அதுக்கப்புறம் எங்களோட கேரண்டிக்கும் பிரச்சனையாகும் ஸோ அதனால கட்டாயம் நீங்கள் அந்த ரெண்டு இதுவும் செய்யணும் ஓகே ரைட் ஸோ I think I have, because of the parents today, I spoke in Tamil and Sinhala as well. So I think you got the idea clear, right? So idea clear about the program, right? Now we are going to do the examinations, right? So we are going to do an examination. Yeah. Okay, right. Okay. So how you are to exam is, I'm sending a link, right? In the group, in the chat, I'm sending a link. So the first link is for grade 1 to grade 5. Right, whoever into the grade 1. Now what you have to do is give the phone to your son and daughter. Putalata denna phone neka speaker again. You can hear, no? Just take the headphone out, then you can hear me, right? Mate kata kana puluwan, right? Then api exam ekak denna yanne, exam anu kuduka pora, right? So what you have to do is phone neka babalata denna then, right? Api then danawa link ekak, right? Then dala tiyenne grade 1 to grade 5 enakam kattiyage link ekak. මේක ෆෝන් එකකින් හරි නැත්නම් ලැප්ටොප් එකකින් හරි ඕපන් කරන්න පුළුවන් කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ අර ලින්ක් එක කොපි කරලා බ්‍රවුසර් එකකින් දාලා go කියලා දෙන්න හරි මම ඒක පෙන්නන්නම් you can share your screen and show හරි ඒ ලින්ක් එක කොපි කරන්න we'll do it every parents
excuse me sir
yeah
parents are asking if they have 2 kids how they can join like that to do the quiz.
If they have 2 kids, phones dekak tiyanawada? You have to have 2 phones. Oral mudija braga. Okay, so if you have 2 phones, no problem. Otherwise, ekkene give around to passe anith ekkenama join karamu. Hari?
Thank you.
Okay. Hari දැන් මේ වගේ තමයි දැන් browser එකෙන් අර link එක paste කරන්න. right ඔයාගේ computer එකෙන් බලන්න මම පෙන්නන්නේ හරි මෙතන copy කරලා මේ link එක ඔයා copy කරලා අර link එකට paste කරන්න. right phone එකකින් හරි මේකෙන් paste කරන්න http quiz.com/join කියලා එවලා code එකක් එනවා. හරි දැන් එහෙම paste කරලා enter කරන්නකෝ. හරි දැන් enter කරාට පස්සේ බලන්න මේ වගේ එකක් එනවා. ஓகே මෙතන ඔයාගේ නම ගන්න ඕනේ පුතාලාගේ ඩෝටර්ස්ගේ නම ரைட் இதுல நீங்க உங்களோட பிள்ளைகளோட பேர் அடிக்கணும் ரைட் இப்ப காட்டுற இந்த விண்டோ இருக்குதானே அடிச்சிட்டு so after typing your names just press the start button na again I'm telling you araka copy karla just copy the link and paste it in the browser press the go button okay now you have to press type the name of your son and daughter's name type karla make it start එක ඔබන්න right okay I think there are some people if the close one here who is there so here I think some students are okay joined una the close one how to join ana kala kata chha okay right now see එතනදී බලන්න දෙකක් එනවා මේ පැත්තේ තියෙන එක පොඩි කට්ටියගේ grade 1 to 3 මේ පැත්තේ තියෙන එක ලොකු කට්ටිය grade 1 to 5 grade 9 to 6 කියලා 11 students name එක කාටද so I think 11 students join in this බලන්න මෙතන name එක නම තියනවද so if you change the window you can hear me but you can't see the display නේ ඔයාගේ window එක තමයි පේන්නේ දැන් බලන්න කට්ටිය ඔක්කොම join වුණාද කියලා මම බලන්න so first here you can see the name okay I think 5 students joined in a kids class sorry kids class big people right how many are there okay okay now you can see ඔයාගේ නම දැන් එතන start වුණාම පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න මොකද press කරන්න එපා අපි start එක ඔබට පස්සේ තමයි එතන වෙන්නේ right so when we press the start button here then only your exam will load now I'm waiting until everybody to join so you have to wait whoever coming that window please wait once we start then you can start it right I think there is a question yeah raise your hands try to get down okay I will unmute it I will do that okay.
Hello.
Miss Ananda.
Can I have the joining ID again? I can't join it.
Okay. So you want the exam joining ID, no?
Yeah, exam joining. But I have 2 kids. They both are, one is in grade 1, another one is in grade 3. I have 2 kids.
Okay, but first you put first kid. You have only one phone, no? One device.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I have only one device.
Okay, then first put the smaller one. We will start the exam. Then once it's finished,
Okay.
then we'll do it for the elder one.
Okay. Can you give the joining ID? It's a.
Okay.
Okay.
I have put it again. Balana Miss Ananda, there will be a ID.
Yeah.
පළයා chat එකකින් ඒක copy කරලා දාන්න browser එකට දාලා go press කරලා නම ගාලා start එක ඔබන්න.
Right. Okay.
Right, good. So ඒ වගේ කවුරු හරි questions තියෙනවා නම් you can just raise your hands. Otherwise එතනදී පොඩ්ඩක් wait කරන්න. Just wait in there kids, right? Because once everybody join we will start the exam. There are some more to go. I think 37 parents are students are here. Only few are joined. Others are feel a bit difficult to join, so we will wait, give them for another 1 to 2 minutes. කවුරු හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් just press the button, press the raise your hand. I will help you. How many are joined in that? Total card is 6. Yeah, altogether 12 and 6. Yeah, I think 21 people joined, right? 21 joined. Now still more to go. Still 10 to go. 10 students need to go. I think the one parent's asking what to do. Okay, so you have to do is we are going to have the examination right now for kids. So what you have to do is we are sending a link in the chat window, grade 1 to 5 one link, 6 to 9 one link, right? So just copy the link and put it in the browser and press go button, right? Then it will ask the student name, type the name and join and wait there, right? Just wait there. When others join, we will start it. Okay, right. Shall we start the exam? I think totally 11 total cutting. Okay, 12 plus 9. So 23 join. Okay, now one person joined 24. Yeah. Okay, some more to join. So I think 24 people have joined now. I think 37, 25. Yeah, now 25. Another 6 people to go, right? Another 6 people, I think still if you feel difficult. කවුරුහරි මට සිංහලෙන් ඉන්ස්ට්‍රක්ෂන් නැත්නම් තමිල් වලින් ඉන්ස්ට්‍රක්ෂන් ඕන නම් කියන්න මම කොහොමද කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා කරන්න කියන්න අපි දැන් chat එකට දාන්න link එක copy කරලා browser එකට දාලා go දෙන්න පස්සේ ඔයාගේ නම students name ආනවා ඒ නම දෙන්න නම දැල්ලා join වෙලා එතන wait කරන්න leave වෙන්න එපා එතනම wait කරන්න. Okay, so
hello, Mr. Myron.
Yeah.
Sorry for interrupting. Yeah, there is a parent is asking about the name called Tanisha. It's a will she joined in the quiz? Can you just see the name Tanisha?
Tanisha, no Tanisha. It's in the grade 1 to 3.
I think so. Parent name is Sabani Priya.
Yeah, she's there.
She's there. Okay. Okay. And one parent. Okay. Sabani Priya. Okay. And one parent is saying that she got the wrong link. It seems. Zenith.
Because same link only we are sending to everybody. Better you check the link. Otherwise, if it is asking any code, right? Code. Now in the last part of the link, you can see a number, right? So just type the number. If something like code.
I think the code is 662650.
Yeah, that is for kids, no? Small people.
Yeah.
Yeah. 990876. That is for kids, small people.
1 to 5.
Yeah, 1 to 5.
Yeah, Miss Zenith, if your student is grade 1 to 5, your code will be 990876.
Yeah, I think still some, please, whoever joined parent, please give me some minutes because some parents feel a bit difficult to join. Right. So once everybody connected, we will start the exam. Then exam will start equally for all the students. And the timing also equal. Otherwise, it's in a different timer. Right?
Yes. Again, Miss Vijita Anandan is asking something. Can we unmute her?
Yeah. Yes. Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah. There is a notification, Miss Vijita. You can unmute her.
Good evening, Miss Vijita Anand. You can ask the question.
Good evening. I want to put the name code 990876, right?
Yeah. It is a great student.
Grade 1 to, yeah, they are 2 kids. They have, one is grade 1, one is grade 3. How can I want to join the 2 kids?
Yeah, first you join the first kid. Once exam is finished,
right.
we can join the second kid.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Huh? Langla? All right, okay. Okay, so we will start the exam now, right? So we'll start the exam. So listen carefully, right? Students, now this is your time. Are you ready for the exam? Okay, ready? Yes. Okay, good. I press the start button. Now the question and for answer will load, right? So you have to read the question and you have to answer it. Okay. The parents, sometimes you can help the people, but not answering, only reading, right? If it's the kids or smaller people, you can just read the question and say, don't answer, because this is not the real exam. We are going to check your knowledge of the student. No competition, no first, second, third, right? Please, parents, if the students are feel difficult to read, only read and say. Don't say which answer. So I want all to check. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start the exam. Right, start. Right, okay, so exam is started. Now you can answer. Still you can hear me, right? I think good, good. A lot of people are answering, started answer. So the parents just help with the question. Don't help with the answer, please. If they need time, just let them to think and click. Make mistake also, let them to do, right? Yeah, Miss Priya, what, any questions?
Yes, sir. Still, I didn't get the question, sir. Exam question.
Are you joining the exam?
Yes, sir. You told that I am in the group. I have joined in the exam. Tanisha.
Tanisha, no? Just refresh the browser. Just press in the top and refresh the browser. If it is asking a code, please give the 990876 the code. Tanisha is there, but I think not started. Just try it again. Refresh it. If it is asking a code, 990876.
Sir, there is not. They are not answering the code also, sir.
Sorry, code.
No, there is no option asking the code also.
It's not asking the code.
No, sir.
Can you copy the link again and paste in the browser? You close this browser. What is the phone you are using?
Sorry.
What is the phone you are using? Phone?
Oppo F1. Yes.
So then it will work. Just trying to copy the link, only the link, not with the initial part. Grade 1, there is no need to copy, only the link. Only starting with HTTP link. Just copy that part only and paste. Yes, Hasim, any question? Miss Hasim?
The quiz is finished.
That's great. Yeah, once you finish, just stay. Just then you can finish it, then you can come to the Zoom window.
Okay.
So if you finish the question, you can come to the window, Zoom window. You can see your friends' results. Yeah. So the code, I think Priya, the code 990 990 876. That's the code. Again, I'm telling parents, please don't answer. Just help them to read only if they feel difficult. It's not a competition. There is no winners here. Please help them to read. Don't point out the answer or don't show the answer. Yeah, Sweeta.
Hello.
Yeah. Any question?
Hello.
சொல்லுங்க.
எப்படி நாங்க அதை ஜாயின் பண்றது? சாய் பிரதீக்ஷா ஜாயின்ட் ஆயிருக்கா? என்ன மாதிரி ஜாயின் பண்றது?
இந்த क्वेश्चनல ஜாயின் பண்ணுவா இப்போ இந்த எக்ஸாம்லயா?
ஓ.
நாங்க அந்த லிங்க் கொண்டு பாருங்க உங்களுக்கு chatல அனுப்பி இருக்கோம். நீங்க டைப் பண்ணி அத காப்பி பண்ணி நீங்க அவங்களோட browser ஓபன் பண்ணி Zoom க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த browser ஓபன் பண்ணி அதுல பேஸ்ட் பண்ணி கோ அமத்துங்க.
அப்படினா அது ஒரு கேம் ஒன்றுடா வருது.
கேம் ஒன்று மாதிரி தான் வரும். அதுல அந்த கோட் ஏதாவது கேட்டா இந்த கோட் அடிங்க. அது 0876 அந்த கோடை டைப் பண்ணி கோன்னு கொடுத்தீங்கன்னு சொன்னா அவங்களுக்கு கேள்வியும் கீழே 4 ஆன்சரும் வரும். அப்ப அதை பிரஸ் பண்ணா சரி கேள்வியை வாச்சு கேம் மாதிரி தான் அது இருக்கும்.
இப்ப நான் பாவிக்க போன்ல வந்து இப்ப எந்த பட்டன் அமுத்தணும் அது கன்சல் பண்ணிட்டு போகணுமா?
அது காப்பி பண்ணி நீங்க
அந்த 3 டாட் இருக்கு.
அந்த லிங்கை காப்பி
போய் அத
காப்பி பண்ண இயலுமா அந்த லிங்கை? அதுல chatல
எனக்கு இந்த லிங்க் வராம இருக்குது. கொஞ்சம் லிங்க் திரும்ப அனுப்பலாமா?
நான் அனுப்புறேன். இப்போ உங்களுக்கு பர்சனலா அனுப்புறேன். சாய் பிரதீக்ஷாக்கு லிங்க் பர்சனலா அனுப்புறேன்.
Okay.
So whoever finished the exam, just close the browser and come to the Zoom window. Then you can see the screen, right? Result screen, student score, you can able to see. Yeah, only 10 questions are there, just a sample. Once it's done, you can come to the normal window, please. So whoever finished, so you can see the results. So very colorful. Okay, that's great, right? I think most of the people completed in first level, grade 1. Yeah, only I think few are answering. Tahib is answering, and so like only 1 or 2 people are answering. Others are okay. So whoever complete, you can come to the normal window, and also in the big people level, there are I think 2 people. So whoever, like 2 children are there now. So the first exam finish mean again you'd start the second exam. Again, copy the second link and paste it, and you can start the second exam if there are 2 kids in the home.
Ms. Myron,
Yeah, Dinesh.
sorry to interrupting. Yeah,
Okay.
there's a parent is want to talk to you.
Yeah, yeah.
Dinesh Pereira.
Yeah, Miss Dinesh.
Yeah, I'll be unmuted. Yeah, Mr.
Actually,
Dinesh, good evening.
good evening. Actually, after finish the first 5 quiz, there's a message came.
Power up.
Could not connect to the quiz. What to do? What to do now? Reload.
Reload.
Yeah.
So just trying to reload and continue.
Yes, actually, 3 times we tried another same issue faced.
Trying to continue also same problem.
Yeah.
Wait, I will say, what is the student's name?
Lavanga.
Lavanga. No, so I'll check with the admin window. Just check whether there's a Lavanga. Yeah, Lavanga. Yeah, he have not did any question. It says refresh the top window again. Top trying to refresh the browser and do it again, because the Lavanga question is upload. It's a 0 here. It's not showing anything.
Okay, we will try again.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I think I know parent, because first time only I think you are attempting this. So sometime you will feel difficult. But okay, I think more than 80% of people have joined only because of technology issues, right? This is the quiz portal. Next time also we will use the same portal to do the exam. So you can easily work out, or you will get familiar when we do 2-3 times, right? So first time only you feel difficult. Don't worry. Whoever like in the backward will give you some times to come and join. Otherwise, no problem, right? Because it's just a demo sample, right? I think there's another person who raised their hand.
Sabani Priya, wait, I'll unmute. Yes, Sabani Priya.
Oh, she answered the finish, or is there any more to do?
No, that's all. That's all. Once you finish, then you can come to the main window. When you come to the Zoom window, you can see the screen.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, battery working.
So, Mr. Myron, meanwhile, we just have a chat with you regarding the examination. So, all the examination, you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Mr. Myron?
Yeah.
All the examination is going to be like this quiz level, or it will be all be a upgraded one?
No, the same, but it will be different question, but same portal only.
Okay, so the final exam will be in the same portal within a different upgraded version.
Yeah.
Okay, that's clear. And Vijita Anand have another question, I think. Yes, Vijita Anand.
Right. One kid is Ketana is joined the exam, and Yokavin, I will put the Yokavin, but can you check it? The name will be there.
Miss Myron, the student name is Yokavin. Is he Anand? Yeah, Anandan, is he? Yeah, 1 to 5, 5 to 6, so 1 to 5 or 6 to 10?
1 to 5, 1 to 5.
Yeah, Mr.
1
Myron,
to 3.
it's your... Okay.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Yokavin. I think his one kid's name is the Ketana.
Lokavi 1 to 5.
Ketana have done it.
Ketana
Yeah,
have done.
Ketana done it. Yokavin.
Yokavin.
Yokavi.
Yeah.
Also help us.
Okay. He also done. Yeah.
Yeah, yes. I got the name right.
Okay. Thank you, Ms.
Okay, thank you.
Viditanand.
Thank
Welcome.
you.
And so, is there any parents who wants to ask some questions regarding the course? You can raise your hands, so we will be able to unmute all. So far, so good. I think, Mr. Mayuran, all are good in their levels, and so you will be releasing the results now, right now, or?
Yeah. Yeah. Give me another 2 minutes. I think there are people who's doing. So because when I finish
Okay.
time, everybody will get stopped. So 2 minutes. Please, students, whoever lately joined, trying to complete your exam soon. So then I'm going to end the exam. Huh?
Okay, students, hope you all doing great, and you will be getting your results as soon as possible. So stay tuned with us, okay? And whoever came last few minutes ago, so you all can do the exam, right? Mr. Mayuran, they can do the exam, or you are going to end up with the exam?
To end up, so they will. We can do that.
So, so you will be sending the link to them in WhatsApp? Is there any possibility?
Yeah. We will send.
Okay. So, students who have joined right now, you will be getting a link in WhatsApp, so you can do it as personal. So, we are going to end up with this session. So, all the results will be given to you as soon as possible. So, stay tuned.
Right. Okay, students. So now we come to the last part. Now you can see. So you can come to the main window again, main Zoom window. You can able to see the results. Right. So this is the results for the exam. So actually, this is not a big exam, right? So we have did it to just to check your knowledge and the English. So in the grade 1, I think the person who have did all the questions correct. Grade 1, yeah. What is his name? Tahib. Yeah, I think these are the people like whoever in the from the Tahib, all these people until this. So if there is no red color mark here, so all the people have done 100 out of 100. Right? That shows a good English knowledge, right? Great. So then whoever after that, one question wrong, there is also no problem. But I'm talking about the first set, kids. We'll zoom that window only zoom that. Kids only. Yeah. We'll take the kids only now. Okay. So then I'll go based on the scoring, end of the exam. Yeah. Okay, now this is the accuracy. So I'm very happy that 89% of the people in the class, right, language, right? So whatever we ask question, so you are okay. So then when you go like this, right, people have get like more than 4 questions wrong. So we call that as a weak students, right? So they should concentrate some more in our classes, right? So we will consider them as a weak students, right? So the weak student, you should concentrate some more in the language, right? So only few are there. So if it is more than 3, right? Other people good, but we will, because this is a very basic questions which we have given, very simple questions, right? So, but you should improve, right? So that's the total score for the today. Don't take this as a big serious results, right? This is just results that we want to check the knowledge. Maybe students can be more intelligent and more knowledgeable than what we showing here, because first class I want to check the students point view. That's why I have took this. Nothing personal. Don't take this as a personal. My student comes second, third, like that. No, right? Just small dumb today to check, because to identify from our side what is the knowledge of the student. Right. We go to the next level. So that is big paper 5 to 9. Right. So yeah. Right. So this is the scorecard of 5 to 9 students. That also, I think, first 3 people are all correct right here. So they did everything correct. Then the other students, 1 question wrong, and some people 2 questions wrong, and like that it will continue. And I think some people have even and all, they have not completed fully, still doing it, right? So that's not a problem. Again, this is like one, again, if you are in the out of 10, if it is more than 4 questions, if you did mistake, again, I'm telling you are a weak students, right, in that category. So then you have to concentrate more in the class, right? You have to just listen more. So then it will be worthwhile. Great. So that's an exam, right, parents? Again, I'm telling you, don't personally take this, right? Because this is just the exam. We want to check the knowledge, right? Throughout the class, also we are giving a lot of exams like this, but not in every classes. Then and there, in some important classes, we are giving again and again some exams to find out the knowledge. Last class, we want everybody to be in higher score, and also question will be increased. This just a 10 question. Later, we will give you more question. Number of questions will increase. Scoring and toughness of the question also will increase. So just we want to improve the knowledge, and we want to check the students' capacity. Are you all okay? So I think most of the people have joined this quiz, and most of the people are into the Zoom. So technology wise, you're okay, right? Technology wise, you are okay. So same 2 things only necessary. You should have the knowledge about how to connect to the Zoom, and you should have the knowledge about how to attend this particular quiz. So today I take some times and train you how you can do. So next time also you can help the students, or 1 or 2 times, maybe within other 3 exams, you will be familiaring with this particular setup, how you have to do. Definitely, parents, you should upgrade your knowledge on this, because next generation education will be in fully online, right? So people and companies and everybody's are moving it. So as a parent, you should have the knowledge to go and log in these kind of things and guide the students initial stage. Thank you very much. So I think we come to an end of the meeting today, right? So now, as I told you before, it's a question time, right? Before going to the question, I will give you some more time and just to brief you again about the program, right? Because I think in the initial there was 33 parents, now there are 38 parents. So parents who ever come late, so they don't have any idea about this course and program. So again, I'll just do a small quick recap about the course, what we actually talking about. It's not a lengthy one, right? I'll just do a small, very quick one. Right. So our program mainly, as I told you, this is the body, right? So about us, first we will tell about us, right? So I'm the country business development manager for the EdHad company, right? EdHad is in the top of my presentation. So that is a company. So EdHad is the people who are based on UK, right? UK, and their main program is High National Diploma, HND, and they do have a program in MBS and PGD courses, right? So this is what kids program which will be offered by this. EdHad is also a body like EdExcel and Cambridge, right? Like a similar body is the EdHad. So that is a similar body, similar to the other bodies, right? So those are the people, they are the people giving the curriculum and the syllabus and the examination question. So these 3 things will be done by this particular EdHad. And the second is this IDM in this side. So IDM is the official partner. They will deliver it, right? So in Sri Lanka, the delivery partner will be the IDM. So through the IDM only, we are sending all this information. So that is a brief introduction about our company, this particular company. And we do have lots of programs, lots of courses, lots of programs are there. We do have full-time courses and so many. So here what we are going to do is with 100% free. There is no hidden charges. We are Don't worry about the payment. Are there any terms and conditions, any payment? No payment. Everything is fully free. 15 hours course. We are going to do it in online, like interactive learning method. Like I speak, you can ask like what we have did today. So there is a method. 15 hours we are going to do it, right? So through this. So once this course is finished, right? Fully 15 hours. So you should have two things, as I told you. You need to have a Zoom account. That is the first important thing. I think you all have. Second, you should have a knowledge about this particular quiz system that we have did it today, right? So if you have the knowledge about these two, you can able to attend and come to the classes. So we are giving this free of charge English program to improve the knowledge only 20% of the English, right? I'm not guaranteeing that we will do magic and we will give 100% knowledge in English. No, I'm not a magic person. I'm a lecturer and my co-staff together, I'm going to deliver this, right? I'm giving you a 20% of the language knowledge with this free 15 hours program, right? Next is about the category. So grade 1 to 3 is one category, 4 to 6 is another category, 7 to 9 is another category. Based on your, it's not age, grade, school grade. So based on the school grade, now you are a grade 4 student, then you can come to the second category. So how to join this? We have already shown you a WhatsApp group. So by yourself, right? But yourself, you can just click the link and join in the WhatsApp. If it is phone, it's very easy. Just a matter of clicking, it will open. Otherwise, just take a WhatsApp link, right? And you can join. So then, or else, if you feel so difficult, you can just talk to us in the hotline. We will be sending you a WhatsApp link to you, right? So join in the WhatsApp link, then we will be take caring from there. So this is a rough timetable for the movement, right? There are students grade 1 to 4 mean your 1 to 3, your time will be 3 to 4:30, that is the time. And 4 to 6, your time is 11 to 12:30, that is the class time. And 7 to upwards, it will go morning 9 to 10:30. There is a class time is fixed, no change, but date will be varied. Not every day regular class. We will inform you the dates of the classes. Only weekly you will have 2 or 3 classes based on the time schedule, right? So that's what it goes. So then we will be finishing within 2 to 3 weeks, our estimated time to complete this particular program, right? Okay, parents. So thank you very much once again. I'm really happy that most of the parents are still online and listening to me, right? So thank you again. Thank you very much, right? Further, if you have any questions, later classes also you can able to answer or ask the question. I know a lot of question will come to you now, right? So after this, you can phone and ask, or in the next classes, you can talk to us, right? So one thing, trying to enroll it in our WhatsApp group, and we will be take care from there in the next level, right? Thank you very much. I hope you all enjoy the day with the examinations, right? So my name is Mayuran. So if you have any problem, you can just call me, and there are my teammates, right? So in the phone, you will be able to contact them for anything. Thank you. Study well, educate your children's daughter. Education is a great investment for their life, and you will get lots of benefits when they get grown, right? So trying to put the education in a correct, right? When you invest it, you will think, no, jewels, place or land, when you invest, you think, same as think lot and invest it in the education. Thank you very much. Thank you for the time. All the best. Children, see you soon in the class. Bye. Bye.